Students, we are very much interested to speak in English from the very beginning of our life. That is when we are studying class 2, that is standard 2 from onwards. From that time, my parents feel that our students, that is our children, must be educated, that is good education. He must be get quality education, and for that reason English is very much important, and this is the reason also that the parents looking for a good school to take admission the students for better education. Basically the students who are very good in study, the parents feel that our children must be educated in a good school, that is in English medium school. You know why English medium school? Because they also know that English is very much important. So my experience I would like to share with you. Many students come here for develop their communication skill. But the problem is that, first of all, students are not interested to learn grammar. The second is, students feel shy to speak in front of some people or others. Third, they would like to get easy way to speak in English. But the fact is very difficult and crucial also. We will not able to speak English without knowing the grammar. Suppose a simple sentence that you would like to speak. I read a book. So in that case also, grammar is most important. So please, if you would like to speak good English, if you would like to write excellent English, so you have to go through grammar. That is, you have to learn all grammar parts which are mostly needed. The second thing is that students have to be patient. Interest is not at all one thing by which they will get success. Students have to be more and more patient. If a student wants to learn whole part of grammar, so he has to spend at least 3 to 4 years. He has to study consciously. He has to follow up all rules given by the teachers. He has to read newspaper regularly. He has to make a good habit of writing at home. He has to follow a spoken habit with friends. And moreover, another important thing is that he has to follow the cow method. If he is not getting any person to speak, so he has to speak individually, that is in himself or herself. So if a student follows this type of rules, this type of system to learn English, so definitely he will be able to speak. But we can see that when the students face any difficulties, they say, I will quit. So it is very easy to say quit. But if you quit from your struggle, that is your failure. But if you are not able to speak first time, if you are not able to speak second time, if you are not able to speak third time even, you are not a failure. Success is coming slowly. You are not unsuccessful. You will be successful, but it will take some time. So please don't say, I will quit. Struggle and struggle. And struggle is that practicing. Practicing of writing, practicing of speaking, and practicing of study the grammar. And I give you assure, within 3 years or 4 years, you will be able to complete whole grammar, and you will be the best speaker in the world. One of the best speakers in the world. And damn sure. So please students, keep on watching my videos and join my class. Link will be given in the mobile. and follow the all grammar rules related to the spoken English. Thank you.